Oh, for real, huh? Well, this is a toy I'm playing with. Hold on now. Look how big it is, people. God bless me. And that's a little one. Sounds in my hand. Now, that's what we do right there. Holy shit. Watch out, Peanut. God, next to a Red Bull can. Holy shit. And that's 12 ounces, people. That's not a little Red Bull can.
That's about 18 ounces.
Holy shit. Now you is.
All right.
You see it?
Small stick.
You see it?
See it good.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, I see it. Big one.
Hold on, let it focus. There it go. Woo-wee. Hell yeah.
You got my wallet, right?
Rod, plug your ear!
Hell.
It was a big pile. It's now a big hole.